it's another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make paper witch's hat and a paper feather. They're very simple and easy to make. What you will need is some paper, pencil, tape, glue, and yeah. So over here I used orange paper to make this witch's hat. You can use whatever colored paper you have, and yeah. Everybody, what you need to do now is just go ahead and make a paper cone out of your paper, and yeah, you can tape it or glue it together after it's done, and then cut out the excess. So everybody, what you need to do is when you have make the cone, just glue it or tape it together and cut out the excess. So yeah. So what I've done here is I accidentally put the white strip first. What you need to do is put the white strip on the cone at the end, but I accidentally put it first, but it doesn't matter, you can put it a little later. You can also put it after you have pasted your cone to the white circle. everybody, this is the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video.